I am coming in from the garage and they've done a couple of updates. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning into another video. I'm actually getting ready to do like a little photo shoot for Boneca Boutique. I wanted to give you a quick update on how the house is coming along. So the cabinets have been put in. The countertops are supposed to be getting put in today. The floors have been put in. So there's a lot of things happening this week in the house and we're really excited. So this video, you're gonna get to see that. And yesterday I had to take our sink to the quartz company so they could like cut it out according to the measurements. So things are moving really fast. If you wanna see the updates on how the new house is coming along, just keep on watching. All right, so I am coming in from the garage and they've done a couple of updates to the house. I wanted to show you. We've got the cabinets in the downstairs bathroom and then the cabinets are in. I'm so excited. So finally now we actually have a kitchen. So I'm gonna step back so you guys can see what it looks like from far away. So obviously the countertops still have to get put in here and the sink and everything, the appliances, the backsplash, all that good stuff still has to get put in. And also we're gonna plan on removing, these are really nice handles, but we really wanted black handles. So we're gonna be changing up the handles on those. All right, and then let's see what they did in the masters. So we've got some white cabinets in here. The shower still looks the same. Okay, and now upstairs. So all of the cabinets are put in. I'm so excited. And that's really all that's new. All right, so we are back and I'm really bad at talking and holding the camera at the same time. So I apologize if it's like moving up and down, but I did change my top. I wanted to share with you. It says creative director and it's also available at the store. So I will leave that link down below also. This is where we're storing a lot of the stuff that's upstairs because this is basically an empty room. And I'm sorry for the bad lighting. It's been really rainy lately. I'm actually gonna take you guys to look over here. It's been really rainy. You could see it's gloomy and it's only about like 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So we're storing all of our like photos in here to keep everything safe. And a lot of stuff is like the guest bathroom things, memories. So we're storing everything because we had sold, do you remember what this guest room looked like before? So it's completely different and we sold a lot of stuff. So we're storing everything in here for now. And even the bathroom, it's all empty. So yeah. So here we are back at the house. I did not do an introduction for this part, so I decided I would just go ahead and do a voiceover. But when I came back, I was pleasantly surprised with everything that they had done. So they put in the hardwood floors. We got in our quartz finally. I was so excited to see this completed. It really brought the look together. And so it's a quartz that kind of has like some veining through it. In the old house, we do have marble, but marble in the kitchen really does chip a lot. And so I'm excited to have something that's going to be very durable. They hadn't put the countertops in the bathroom just yet, but they finished our bathroom, which I love the shower. It has a little area to sit down, and I have a tub. I don't know about you, but a tub is a must for me. Still no carpet. Our builder was actually getting ready for the Parade of Homes. Now, I'm not sure if you're familiar with Parade of Homes. I had honestly no idea what it was until I started this process, but what it is basically it's kind of like a model home. So builders will enter their houses into sort of like a to be judged, and people will be coming in, viewing the house. This is a really good way for builders to get their name across and for people to see their work. Last year, the home won an award, so we will definitely see about this year.